There is an easier way to protect your car. Supagard prevents fading and protects your car's paintwork. It works by adding a tough, transparent protective barrier, maintaining the look and long-term appearance of your car. Supagard can also shield your seats and carpets against dirt and spills with an invisible stain-resistant barrier. And for vehicles with leather upholstery, a cleaning solution gently lifts dirt from the pores of the leather. So, whatever the world throws at your new car, it will continue to look as good as the day you bought it. Supagard. It's like having a new car every day.